Hello everyone, hope you can hear me well. Everything is going good. This is a new software that I'm testing right now, and hope all goes well today's live. And basically what it does is it helps me to go live on YouTube and Facebook together. Let me just see. Okay, it says I'm live. Hopefully all setting is saved on YouTube. It's gonna confuse me a little bit. Let me just move this here. Okay, let me see the title. Yeah, title is fine. Yep, Naveen. Yes, you are the first one. Let me see on Facebook now. Awesome. Everything is fine. Okay, it's perfect now. So you guys can hear me well. The quality is fine. Everything is fine. Just confirm, please. Just confirm. I have. Why on Coinbase? Because it's a real currency exchange. That's why. Bitfinex is good. Bitfinex or Coinbase are the best to do analysis on. Okay, in my opinion, as far as I've seen traders doing, and as far as I've seen that works perfect is Coinbase and Bitfinex. Okay, because the thing is with Coinbase there is a real money going in and out based on real money, it's trading of real money, and in Binance there is so much panic selling, FOMO buying, like it destroys the analysis sometime. And I've seen this that the market follows most analysis of Bitfinex and Coinbase rather than other stuff. BTC show.pro. Stop spamming, man. Okay, the video is not working on my mobile. I don't know why. I'm trying to load to see your comment, but it just keeps saying it won't work. Strange thing. You're welcome. Okay, this is being oh, it's because of my Wi-Fi. Hope I don't get disconnected from my live. Alright guys, just give me a time and all will be fine. There will be a 10-15 minutes live at the end of the video in Hindi Urdu. Okay guys, don't worry about that. There will be at the end Hindi Urdu explanation, like overview of the market. I will go and do that for my Hindi Urdu friends. Okay, now it's working. I can see your comments and everything is fine. Great, all good. Let me know guys if you watching this right now live, and say hi something. At least I know who's watching this, and other stuff, whatever you want to say. Basically right now what we saw yesterday is at night, just 2 hours before, like the same thing we've seen here. This pump happened like this one. It was 2 hours before the daily candle close, and the same thing happened yesterday around 2-3 hours before the daily close. We seen a dump, because the thing is this move was quite big comparing to this one. The volume here, we'd seen a decent volume, but the volume was very low, and the seller jumped in, and we had RSI divergence on 4 hour and 1 hour. We had RSI divergence. If you see here, we had RSI divergence. We had the move up here and down. Okay, let me use this the pencil. So we have move up. The RSI shown divergence, and the volume shown a weakness as well. The volume was low, the move was pretty big, okay, move was pretty big, but the volume comparing to this, if you see the move, look at this move and this move, it was almost the same, but the volume was pretty low, and that's why we got the divergent. And I notice this, the RSI is currently based on like a lot, it works with the volume, it showed the strength, and that's why I notice a lot. So I will just focus on RSI divergent, and the market already broke this and now it's struggling. It did test it this few times already, 3 times, and then failed and dipped down, and we couldn't close above it, this either. And this is still the same failing rising wedge we had. Bitcoin is testing the rising wedge. As I said yesterday, Bitcoin will test the rising wedge, and it did, but it came down. Okay, I'll take the question. I would read comments after. I'm going to report your comments. Okay, German group and 1 BTC per hour. Okay, that's, look at, I got spammers, so many spammers here. Okay, okay, so basically yesterday the video was around here when we saw the price around here, around 65, 60, 70, and I said we're gonna retest. We can always retest again if we go in low hour. I will show you the bad picture. I had this box here, it was like this. Okay, we had one test, failed. The other test, I said yeah, 1 second, 4 hour, it was 4 hour. You know, my memory sucks a little bit, so ignore that. It was here, not even there. Oh my god, Arslan, what are you doing? It was here. So well, yeah, we had first test, and this was a retest. That was, the candle was around here, okay, and then the candle closed up above it, and I was waiting for this sign. Look at this move. I said the volume is slowly moving up, but it wasn't enough volume. It can always come back by holding higher lows. Okay, that's the important thing, is holding higher lows. And what it did is, after that, it boom, gone up. It was just a trap, honestly, because it gave us a sign of weakness, and that's it. That's all it did. Gave us sign of weakness, and the move should have came down technically. That's what I was expecting, but it went up. It gave us kind of double top fake out on daily. Daily is a big picture to see. It was a fake out that we had. We broke the high of this previous 2 days, but we had a pretty bad fake out. And if we close below 64.50, that's I'm waiting for. If you close below 64.50, that's a red flag again for us, because that won't be a good sign. Okay, overall 6400 is our first high low support, not even high low. This is the main one that I'm looking for, 62.70. If we break up, this is our major support based on the past history, and the market has been reacting a lot here. We recently got support at this area, and now I'm gonna see what's gonna happen. The thing is, it's all about patience. I've been saying in my lives, we need to have some patience to take entries and wait for the market to give us a sign that, oh, I have a strength, I want to go up. I will personally just wait. This because of this weakness, I would prefer to wait, and I want to see a close above this, a strong volume close above this 7k 6800, and I want to see market staying above that for 2 days or 1 day at least, giving me a strong rejection signal with a good volume, and I may take entry for next target around 7700. And then what I really want is Bitcoin to cross 8k to take a bigger entry, okay, to put more cash in it. But for now, I won't be looking to enter a big money here. Like big money for me, whatever big is, some people it won't be big. All right, so I'm just waiting and looking for the market to give me a good option, okay, to enter, because right now it's not giving me anything to take any entry. It's middle of nowhere. Again, simple, but it's middle of nowhere. We are holding 4 hour higher lows, Okay, we are holding 4-hour high lows, and I want to see this break 6400 to lose 4-hour high low. If we lose that, then you're gonna see a big red candle that's probably gonna test 62 below 63. And if we take a small support here and then going below more and more, but all depends what we're gonna see in next 2 days roughly. Okay, for now market is trying hard, bullish bulls are trying hard, but the volume isn't there. You see volume is keep declining on each candle. Okay, all of this candle, each candle volumes keep declining, and because of that we can see a move down, or even though it goes up, it doesn't matter. I'm looking for an entry here or down there, it doesn't matter to me. But right now, looking at everything, it shows is keep getting rejected again and again. The volumes keep declining. It shows that bull doesn't have much interest in this, and bulls are weak. Okay, bulls are weak. Even though seller aren't there much, seller probably gonna come in more if we break 6400. Okay, because this been a very strong zone for us. I've been saying about from last 3 days. 6450 is a strong number for Bitcoin overall. So I'm looking for this break. Even if the seller must have a lot of stop losses below this, because there was a lot of buying going on here. If you see, we had a volume spike here, but it wasn't all that. This area is very choppy area. It doesn't, like, there's nothing to take entry, sell, or buy or sell. Nothing. It is mid of the top and so support and resistance, mid of support and resistance. We need to see a one break. Okay, either is gonna be up or down, but I'm looking for down because market has been rejected a lot to going up. 6700 was huge zone for Bitcoin to get rejected again and again and again. It's been rejecting a lot. So let's see what YouTube has to say. Is there anything fun to start? Is the quality is good on YouTube? I'm not sure. It's going, but above it says, don't worry about that. It says above because I was making a thumbnail. I was making a thumbnail for, and I was using Bitstamp because Bitstamp I don't use it much and it was clean. Alright, Steven, thank you very much. But what I'm looking for now is how the YouTube quality is. Okay, can we watch on 720p? Yes, it looks good. Try doing Hindi. I will do in Hindi after at the end of the video, 10-15 minutes. Don't worry. Electroneum, I seen it going up. The thing is, it's not bullish yet. Okay, if you see a chart, it's not bullish yet. It still have a resistance, like strong resistance around 250. Okay, 240 to 250 is a strong resistance for Electroneum. It did go up. The thing is, there is a news, it's going in a small exchange, but it does have a huge community. Because of the huge community, it creates huge hype, and the sale walls are very weak because everyone was selling, no one was buying, and they were dumping. Just forget everything. The worst thing is, it came down below the from 22 cents or 18 cents, whatever it was, it came down below 1 cent. Okay, that's like crazy numbers. Imagine people that bought above 10 cents. They would be crying. And now they're in a hope. I hope they're gonna recover their money. Okay? People don't understand. Okay? They will never understand until they get broke. Okay? They think are like other traders that I haven't seen any big guy, any like big trader talking about Electroneum. I've seen them ignoring it. It's just the noob community I've seen. Fluencer that I've seen that get paid promotion, they have been shilling Electroneum, and Electroneum been giving them a lot of new followers. The community is huge. It's all about community here and the hype. People don't understand that. I don't know why, but you need to understand this. Walaikum salam, Umar. Electroneum is the more money it has, the bigger the dump will be, because the money will keep dumping and dumping and dumping and dumping unless there is a no news. After this news, it's gonna dump again. Okay, after it's listed in new exchange, it's gonna dump again. Okay, nothing else is there. In exchange, it won't change the future. Going in small exchanges. Okay, so basically right now what we have is, right now Bitcoin broke the rising wedge. Sorry, Bitcoin broke the rising wedge. I'm just waiting to see what's gonna do next. So far it's been showing the weakness, but hey, anything can happen in this market. Let's see what happens, and we'll see that by tomorrow, hopefully. If it has to break, it's gonna fall down fast, because there has been some bulls trying to keep it strong here, trying to hold it. By full break, as I said, 6400, then we're gonna get a big red candle after 6400. The more it stays here, the bigger the drop will be, and the better for us. Okay, for cheap buyers. That's what I'm looking for right now. Looking for market to do get a move, any move, I don't mind, but I need to give us some move, some type of move. Right now, nothing there, almost nothing. Look at the volume. There is no volume. How is it gonna go up? The thing is, manipulation is big thing in this market. Okay, when there is a low volume, it's easy to pump or dump any coin. Okay, when there's a low volume. And that's why, even though we're getting these candles, bullish candles, rejection candles, a very good rejection candle, the volume isn't there, okay, to support it. And we had a one rejection candle as well. If you see, market has been rejecting. Look at this. 1 second. Shit. That's why I hate it. Doesn't spark. Look at this rejection candles. 1, 2, 3. Market don't want to go up. Like, it can't cross one of them. Okay, if it does, it's gonna break hard. If we cross 6700, it's gonna probably test again 6800 almost here, this level, or it's gonna test this trend line again. But the thing is, right now it's keep getting rejected. Okay, that's the main key, and the recent volume of this candle isn't that big either. So I have nothing much to say, honestly. There is nothing that market shows a clear direction right now. Overall, the major trend is bearish. Okay, keep that in mind. But the small time frames are making us confused a little bit. They are getting rejected again and again to go up, but it's keeping high lows. Okay, that means it's keeping the minor trend up. Okay, 6400 is a level that you need to keep an eye on. If that breaks, then probably we have a higher chance of going down. Okay, if we break 6800, that's high, so you have a 400 gap there. Either you can play small moves, or either you can wait for a big move, wait for the break. Okay, you have two options now. Okay, 6800 or 6400. Wait for one of two breaks, and then a retest of either support or resistance if you want to go short or long, or it's all up to you. Thank you very much, Casa. So the thing is like, I don't want to say something that I'm not even sure of. Okay, TA been saying technical analysis is not something that tell us future. It tell us what's happening right now and what happened in the past. Okay, based on what happening right now, it's a little bit confusing. It's keep making a bullish rejecting candle, it's keep getting rejected from bears as well. Okay, and right now manipulation, as I said, is been happening because the volume is super low in this market, and manipulation can happen. It can give us a pump like this one easily, and make us make people to buy it, you know. And if you see, we had equilibrium pattern that I've been talking about earlier. We had a equilibrium pattern, we had a break of that, and then we keep making high lows. Okay, that's the main important thing. When we keep making high lows, and if we break the resistance the way this is, and this is a very good signal to take entry and go long. You get what I mean? For a short profit, for a small breakout play. People who just trade breakouts, those are the one buy here, breakout, and sell up here. Okay, they make profit that way. Breakout players, they know how to play. The thing is, there is so many ways in the market to the three main ways are breakout. You can trade pullbacks, breakouts, and counter trend. Okay, honestly, as far as I think, if the market is ranging, and if you learn how to play the breakouts, they are one of the best, and pullbacks are good, very good too. But breakouts in the range after the range, if it makes a range market, is gonna be so good. Okay, depends. The more it stays in the range market consolidating, the harder the break will be. Okay, that's a simple way to explain it. Thank you, Ricky. How many of you watching face? Okay, how many? It's 8 of you live only. That's strange. Anyways, guys, so we have what's your prediction? Okay, that's the thing I've been explaining to my Facebook. I'm live on Facebook and YouTube. So that's the thing I've been explaining everyone. Those who says that what's the price by end of this year, on the TA guys, on the technical analysis guy, they are just speculating. This is just speculation. What's gonna happen by end of this year? Okay, there is no technical analysis does not say that what's gonna happen by end of this year. Okay, people are making you fool, saying by end of this it will happen this that. I don't believe on that, honestly. If you learn yourself technical analysis, you will see this is just a crap rubbish stuff that people talk about. Go on forex guys, the old forex trader, ask them about where will be the price of something, then they will tell you, they will give you the answer. Okay, I just said technical analysis does not tell us the future, it just give us the tell us what's happening right now, who got the control in the market, and what happened. So actually the past history, who got the control just few minutes ago, 1 hour ago, 1 month ago. It's all about the control, who is managing the market, who is having the most control. All about that. That's it. It does not tell us the future. Okay, that's it, simple as that. Okay, you can't predict 100% the market. No one can. Okay, you can see what's coming, possible move. Okay, we had the break yesterday here. If you see, we had the break of this. As soon as we seen a inside bar here on 1 hour, and the trend line, as soon as this bar broke, and look at this spike. It's so easy to find out because the markets keep giving us a move. After this break, we've seen a very good move up. That's how a breakout trader will trade here. Okay, as soon as it breaks, they will buy and they will ride this and they will sell at the top. Simple as that. They will take profit or set stop losses down here and see if it moves. That's fine. If it doesn't, it will hit their stop loss, they will sell, kind of this thing. Okay, they had stop losses down here. As soon as the market came down, they hit stop losses. The market been consolidating a little bit and said couldn't do much, and then it dropped again. So in simple word, we have two levels to look for, 6400 and 6800. Either one of them gonna break and will give us clear direction. Me, it does not matter because I'm looking for a long-term thing. Okay, a small move doesn't affect me much. Alright guys, thank you very much for watching this video. 64 finger. Yeah bro, we'll see what's gonna happen in next 1 to 2 days. Okay, right now market is weak, volume isn't there much. Yeah, there isn't much volume there. The market is both sides are trying hard. The fight is real. Okay, 3 rejections from the bears, 3 rejections from bulls. 1 2 3, 1 2 3. Okay, you tell me. Okay, that's what I see. You see the same thing what I see, right? So we have 3 rejections from bulls, 3 rejections from bears. Okay, now the market is squeezing in. Okay, the more it gets squeezed in, there will be a break at some point. Okay, just wait, by later today you will see a break. Okay, there will be a break either one side or other side, and that's the point you need to look for. Right now we're making a kind of symmetrical triangle, okay, based on the way market is moving. But let's see what's gonna happen. We need more volume to break higher, even to go down. We need more sellers. That's the same thing. Anyways, guys, thank you very much for being here. Low volume is also says few sellers. Yeah, of course it does. Of course it does. But we need more volume. Why? Because if you want to move the market up, you need a high volume, a bias. Okay, without buyers, market won't go up. But without, there will be always sellers who wants to sell. Miners will sell. Again, the market will come down end of the day. You get my point. The market will come down eventually if there is no buyers. There will be seller definitely if there is no buyers. Of course, it's not always bad. It's good, but right now Bitcoin do need volume. It's been going up. If you see daily chart, market been going up. Look at this. Volume is declining. There's nothing like. Look at the volume. It's been declining. The move is going up. Volume declining. Same thing happened here. Look at this. Same thing happened here with this move. And there is a bump move. The same thing happened here. When it went from 7k to 7800, the volume comes up to show there is a like temporary bottom here, and then it goes up, the volume keep declining, and then suddenly we get a spike that shows a big down candle. The same thing I'm expecting, okay, from this. The market is trying so hard, honestly. It broke a rising wedge like this one we had flag A, but it's trying hard to stay above it. Let's see what happens, okay? And nothing changed for me until it doesn't cross 8k. I won't be bullish, even the short term. 10k is a major one for me to go to say okay, we are really bullish, but the 8k cross is just a temporary bullish for us. That's the main key we need to look for. Alright guys, thank you. And what would we have? Yeah, tell me the altcoin you want to know about. I'll do 5 altcoin. Okay, I'll do. There is more viewer on Facebook, so I'll do 3 from Facebook and 2 from YouTube. And then I'll do 10 minutes Urdu Hindi live, and I'll explain them in Urdu Hindi as well. Keep them coming, guys. RDD, that's, isn't there any better coin you wanted to buy or do analysis on? This is probably the worst one. It's just for pump and dump, honestly. There's nothing much in this coin. We've seen a rejection in this recently. This was a decent. Yeah, it's a decent zone. Right now, if we can hold 69, if we can hold 69, it probably. The thing is, it's been testing here a lot. It didn't bounce, so you have a last hope. If it breaks 69, probably you're gonna look for 50, 55, 56 area. Okay, you're gonna look for that, because this has been a pretty strong zone and it's been holding for a while, and then rejecting right now again. It's a hope right now for you if it holds 69. The thing is, technical analysis on these type of coin does not really work. Okay, this coin is, as far as I've seen, is being used for pump and dump only. Okay, people just buy it because it's a low Satoshi coin. That's the main reason people buy it. But right now there is not much hope in this. Okay, I wouldn't be interested in this. There's more than few thousand coins right now. You can buy any you want. No, I'm not doing BCN, sorry. Bitcoin Cash. Alright, that's another crap. Anyways, but I'll do analysis. Don't mind. That's just the way I think. Okay, should we do in USD or BTC? USD. I'll do USD for you. Alright, so it bounced from here, from recent bottom that we had, but the thing is still bearish, because this is our first resistance here, the first one. This is our first resistance that is struggling to break. It's not even close to it. This is the first point where it's struggling right now. It's keep rejecting 1, 2, 3. It's keep rejecting again and again. If we break see a 735 break, it's probably gonna come down. Okay, 735 break is gonna come down. You can't do anything. Okay, it's keep getting rejected. These are the levels that you can't even cross those levels. Okay, this is the main one. If you close above that, then probably you're gonna see something, a test of this zone. But right now there's nothing in this coin. Okay, that would be interested personally if I have to buy. If you see this, this has been very strong level. Check this out. 4 rejections there already. Whenever it breaks, like serious break, you will see a volume spike, big one, and you will see it breaking and touching that around 950 area. As soon as the real break will come. Okay, there isn't any real break for Bitcoin Cash right now. Okay, this can be counted as a test as well. So this has been a very strong zone for Bitcoin Cash. You need a serious volume to see a move up. Okay, but now there's nothing in that coin that would be interested to buy. It gave us a good rejection candle here, a bullish engulfing, but it wasn't all that, you know. It wasn't all that. Oh my god, why don't you guys have a better coin? Honestly, XVG and let me see if there's anyone else, because I wanna do one for each person so I can cover everyone. Let me look ADA. I done for ADA already few analysis. You see, it's doing pretty well. It bounced from the last analysis we did. I said the market was around here. It was breaking this level. I said it broke this, and it was around here somewhere, and then came down, gave us a very good rejection candle, a doji signal, and it bounced from this level. Now it's testing the resistance. Okay, this is the same resistance. So it gave us 2 rejection candle already, 1 and 2, and the third one is an inside bar. Okay, if we close that way, and then if we break 0.002253, then you're gonna see a dip down. Okay, this is the level you need to keep an eye on. Okay, keep an eye on, boy. Keep an eye on. Markets keep rejecting this level to break, keep rejecting again and again. You see, the rejections are so perfect, because we have some resistance here, like a lot of reaction on this level. That's why markets keep rejecting. As soon as we see a break, the volumes keep going down daily. Okay, if you see from here, volumes keep going down and down and down. If we see a break up, it's gonna be hard one, and it's gonna see a pump around 226, the next level, say around this level. 26. But as long as it holds 1 hour high or low, just keep hold it and ride with it as long as it does that. Even though if it's a big move, it can always even touch this one, 3000 Satoshi. You never know, if there's any news or something. But this is a very strong level, best to sell here if it does. But right now, as long as it doesn't break, show me a strength, I wouldn't be interested to buy it. Okay, so for now it's a week, there's no volume. The thing is, Bitcoin had a push up and everyone started buying, and now everyone is either selling or holding or buying slowly, seeing a hope or something. So that's what's happening. As I said earlier, you can get buyers, so you can get sellers in the market for sure, but you're not sure about buyers. Okay, that's the thing. That's why market goes down. You need more buyers. You need must buyers than sellers. Okay, buyers are more important than sellers. Selling will happen. Tabcoin, we should keep an eye. The one have a good community, good project, not like something XVG, not like small coin that have huge hype. If you are a trader, that's fine. If you're a long-term holder, find a coin that doesn't have a like too much hype, and it's good to have a hype, but the one are strong. Try to get do a lot of research, try to get early entry in those. Okay, try to get good entry and then sell. Okay, at some point do sell them. Alright, don't just hold. Take an example of ETN, went to 18 or 22 cents. People didn't sell, they're still holding, and that's, I don't know what to say to them. Honestly, the greed have a limit, but this was unlimited greed for them. Even it goes to 100x, they will say, oh, I'll hold for 1000x. 1000%. The greed, these type of people, that's why in bull market they give back in bear market. Okay, even though they book profit at the top, they keep buying other coins and they keep buying and lose all the money. Give back. That's the thing. Strategy is good. Okay, the thing is they are very bad in marketing. This project is so slow. I have strategies a lot. Strategy is good, but it's in bearish trend right now. Okay, it's in very bad situation right now. Strategy is good, but very bad situation right now. This is our last hope. If it breaks 35, then probably I don't even know where it's gonna go. Honestly, it's looking bad. This was a huge signal to sell. Look at this. There was a huge selling at this in this candle. Break of this, it was a signal. Get out of the trade. Break of this. Get out of the trade. And look at what happened. It was a huge move after that because of this candle, huge selling candle, showing that market wants to go down, and the way it closed, rejected all the bulls and came down. That was a bad move. And then the market tried to hold here a little bit, and then the more dump. Now it's trying to hold here. By the end of the day, all the coins, it gave us bearish engulfing here. So probably market every coin I see is getting rejected. Okay, it's going up a little bit and go rejected and close like this. It's very bad sign. Okay, for the whole market, not just altcoin. The thing is, altcoin people buying from again, destroy the technical analysis. I mean, they will create a new technical analysis history in a few days. Very good, Arib. BYT Bitcoin. Okay, can we suggest some best coin? Ashish, I do not suggest any coin to anyone. Okay, I will see if I personally see the charts. If I like it, if there's a news, it's a bonus for me. Okay, news basically help us to get to the target much quickly. Okay, help us to get the target much quickly. I had data a long time. Dada, I don't know what. I never heard of Dada. Okay, ETC, whatever coin should do. Good entry now. BNN already done it. I've been doing it on my Facebook. BNN. Sorry, BNB, not BNN. Look at this. Okay, every day I almost share this. I said yesterday, it was not 2 days ago. I said it was here. the price. I said I'm looking for this zone for a small bounce if it happens. Since here I've been saying keep an eye, this if we break this is a sale, and it did, and this was a kind of test or whatever you wanna call. The volume isn't there. This was a fake move, trying to reject the break of the neck. This is a doubt theory that trying to break off the neck, and then boom. This was so obvious move that was coming after the huge move. This is nothing. There isn't much volume. There isn't huge selling. The selling isn't huge here. Okay, there is no huge selling spike, but there is some selling going on. Okay, profit taking going on. Let's see what's market gonna do. If we hold here, give us a rejection candle, then probably a small move up 10%. Yeah, 10%, 5-10%. Why not? Okay, around this level. Let me just set alert just in case if I wanna play this small move. I'm not sure if I will, but why not? Let's set the alert. I'll get email when it comes to the price. Good entry now. ATC soon become listed. Not soon. Alright, they said months. Okay, they done that on purpose just to create hype. I don't see the people the way they are. Everything is moon for them. Honestly, that's why they get burned mostly. I've been saying there will be two things in ETC. Either we're gonna break this, close above it, or either we're gonna come back here. Okay, there's two scenarios that I'm willing to take entry on. I won't rush it. I don't have to. We've been rejecting this level pretty much a lot. We're still holding higher lows. Remember I said other day we're holding higher lows. Okay, that's the main key here. We're holding high lows, high lows, high lows, high low, and now we're rejecting from this zone as well. Okay, if we break this, okay, and the next candle comes down and tests this and gives us some wick, even though if the candle is like this and shows a like good sign that alright, I wanna go up, buy me. So it gives us something like that, and I will try to buy break of that or retest of this, and I will go to lower time frame. I look for entry. I gave a signal. Basically I did analysis. My first analysis showed that ETC will come here. If it was here, ETC was here, I said the entry should be around here, and did came to our zone, buy zone, and from our buy zone it went up high. It went up around 10-15%. So I think it was a decent profit. So right now I'm waiting for a break. If we break, I'm looking for this much profit at around these levels. Okay, 3000 is gonna be a support. Basically 0.003 is gonna take a little bit hold here. If we break that, looking for this zone, as long as ETC is gonna hold what's gonna hold high lows, I will hold it. By with breaks high lows, I will get out. I mean, this is one of my plan. Okay, strategy. I want to see a good volume, high volume break, but there isn't much volume there. Okay, there isn't much volume. This is the short detail of ETC. Coin burn for BNB, there's every month coin burn there, so there's nothing new in my opinion. So be for 100%, but after that I didn't make any profit like that. Of course not. The lottery, you can't win the lottery every time. The chances of winning lotteries are very low. Imran Rajput, thank you, man. So that's it, guys. I will do a 5-10 minutes in Urdu Hindi, then I'll go because it's been too much. I'm a little bit tired. As it took me 2 hours to just research how to do this live, both side and all. Yeah. Anyways, guys, thank you for being here, all the English speakers, and I appreciate that. All the Hindi ones, now welcome. You're welcome, OP Invest. There's a gold last analysis. There's a gold that I was looking for this level. All right, in the gold. This is the prediction I did, that the price was around here. I said that it can go up and retest. It didn't retest, but it did came to my level. Okay, it did came to my a weekly support level and gave us a bullish engulfing. This was a sign, let's go bullish with it. I'm looking for entry. I missed to take entry here, the first one. This was very so good sign, man, to take entry here. A big rejection candle. It was, look at this, huge buying. It was good entry. I just want to get a chance to buy here gold around 1250. If I get a chance to buy here, I will buy gold and go along with it. Gonna make decent profit on that, hopefully. It's a bearish trend overall. Not overall. It's a bullish, sorry. It's a bullish. The trend is holding still, didn't break, but it's a long opportunity, very good long opportunity to go with. What we're looking at right now. Yes, Hindi Urdu guys. Alicia, I think you're welcome. Okay guys, basically बिटकॉइन जो है, सिंपल वर्ड्स में मैं आपको बता देता हूँ, जो हमने बात की है कि हम देख रहे हैं बिटकॉइन 6400 और 6800 लेवल को एक ब्रेक आएगा, क्योंकि पता है क्या बात क्या है यहाँ पे बात ये है कि बिटकॉइन रिजेक्ट कर रहा है बार बार, लो टाइम फ्रेम पे बार बार रिजेक्ट कर रहा है। बेयर्स जो हैं दोनों साइड से रिजेक्शन आ रही है, ठीक है, बुल्स और बेयर्स से। ओके, एक साइड पे ब्रेक आएगा, अब वो साइड डिसाइड करेगी मार्केट की नेक्स्ट मूव, या 6800 हो या 6400 हो, एक मूव आएगी, वो ब्रेक बताएगा कि हम कहाँ जाए। 6800 के ऊपर हुआ तो प्रॉब्ली हम मे बी नेक्स्ट मूव 78-7700 को टेस्ट करें, बट सो फार मार्केट जो है वो काफ़ी वीक है, वॉल्यूम बहुत कम है और रिजेक्शन आ रही है दोनों साइड से, ठीक है। जो बेयर्स हैं वो चाहते नहीं है मार्केट ऊपर जाए और बुल्स हैं जो चाहते नहीं है नीचे जाए, तो रिजेक्शन दोनों साइड से आ रही है। देखते हैं क्या होता है। वीकनेस बहुत ज़्यादा है मार्केट में इस टाइम। उसके अलावा कुछ खास नहीं है बताने के लिए, ऑलरेडी बता ही दिया है, वही बताना था। 6400 और 6800 पे दोनों पे नज़र रखें और देखते हैं कौन सा ब्रेक होता है। कल तक देखते हैं क्या होता है मार्केट में। रश नहीं करना, क्योंकि एक ब्रेक हो के इसने वापस रीटेस्ट हमें देना है। दोनों नीचे तो आपने फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता, क्योंकि कौन सा आपने मार्जिन ट्रेडिंग करनी है। ऊपर ब्रेक होता है तो ये 1-2 दिन रुकना चाहिए, यहाँ पे 1 दिन एटलीस्ट रीटेस्ट हमें देना चाहिए, ताकि हम बाइंग कर सकें और ऊपर स्मॉल मूव खेल सके, प्रॉफिट कर सकें। बट सो फार कुछ खास नहीं है ऐसा जिस पे बहुत ज़्यादा किया जाए। ओवरऑल जो है मेजर जो ट्रेंड है, मेजर ट्रेंड वो बेरिश ही है। ये मेजर जो ट्रेंड है, ये 6700 ब्रेक ना हुआ 7000 तो हम बेरिश ही हैं बिटकॉइन में। अभी ये सिर्फ मूव थी और RSI को कूल डाउन के लिए मूव ऊपर आई थी, बट मार्केट बहुत वीक है और डेली पे काफ़ी बड़ी रिजेक्शन रात को आई थी क्लोजिंग से 2 घंटे पहले। ये जो इसने ऊपर कैंडल दी है कंफर्मेशन में कि कहाँ हमने जाना है, ठीक है। इतनी जल्दी मार्केट कुछ नहीं बताती, और टेक्निकल एनालिसिस लोग सोचते हैं कि फ्यूचर बताती है, फ्यूचर नहीं बताती। टेक्निकल एनालिसिस सिर्फ पास्ट हिस्ट्री और या जो कुछ अभी हो रहा है, किसके पास कंट्रोल है, बुल्स या बेयर्स के पास, वो बताती है। अभी तो ओवरऑल मेजर ट्रेंड जो है वो तो है ही बेयर्स के पास, ठीक है। और जो दूसरी है वो तो उसके पास है, क्या नाम है, बुलिश तो हम हैं नहीं ओवरऑल। आप देख सकते हैं वॉल्यूम नीचे जा रहा है डेली, मैंने कल भी बताया था, डेली वॉल्यूम नीचे जा रहा है और मार्केट ऊपर जा रही है। वीक मूव बता रहा है कि बहुत ज़्यादा वीक है। सेलर्स कभी भी आ सकते हैं, और सेलर कल रात को आए बहुत ज़्यादा से, ठीक है दोस्तों। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग एंड आई सी यू नेक्स्ट लाइव, बाय। अगर क्वेश्चन है तो पूछ लें, मैं रिप्लाई कर दूंगा और दैट्स इट। बिटकॉइन गोल्ड में लास्ट कर देता हूँ, एनालिसिस का बोला गया है तो BTC बिटकॉइन गोल्ड जो है अभी भी बेरिश मार्केट में है, इसने कोई भी रेजिस्टेंस अभी ब्रेक नहीं किया। ये हमारा मेजर रेजिस्टेंस है, मेजर वन। अगर यहाँ से ब्रेक करता है तो देखा जाएगा, वरना अभी यहाँ तक भी टेस्ट कर ले कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता डॉलर। अगर BTC में देखा जाए, USD में इसका मेरे ख्याल में नहीं है किसी एक्सचेंज में। हाँ इसमें है, बिटफिनिक्स में है और बाइनेंस में भी है इसका, नहीं बिटफिनिक्स में शॉर्ट एंड लॉन्ग USDT, हाँ यही बनता है इसका भी। बेसिकली यहाँ 30 तकरीबन 40 डॉलर पे आ गया ये, व्हाट। हाँ तकरीबन $40 का काफ़ी बड़ा रेजिस्टेंस है और $40 देखते हैं होता है नहीं ब्रेक। इवन 33 भी इसका काफ़ी रेजिस्टेंस है, 31 से 33। यहाँ पे ऑलरेडी ये 31 पे काफ़ी रिजेक्शन ले रहा है, तो बस ये लेवल है। अगर ये ब्रेक करता है तो ये 39 टेस्ट कर सकता है अगर स्ट्रॉन्ग ब्रेक आता है तो, वरना अभी वीक सब मार्केट जो है वो रेजिस्टेंस को रीटेस्ट कर रही हैं और प्रॉब्ली नीचे जा सकती हैं। ठीक है, ओके गाइस, I'll see you next live. Allah Hafiz. Bye. How can I end it?